All our garden sheds are made from quality slow-grown spruce, and the vast majority come fully pressure treated as standard with a 10-year guarantee. The pressure treatment will reduce the likelihood of rot or insect infestation and increase the longevity of the product. We also provide pressure-treated floor bearers at no extra cost to ensure the perfect long-lasting solution for the foundation of your shed. In order to make your garden shed more strong and durable, we only use full lengths of timber. We do not glue separate offcut pieces. All the walls use 15mm shiplap cladding, which helps prevent gaps from expanding and contracting throughout the year. The security of all your belongings is a priority to us, so the vast majority of our garden sheds are supplied with a zinc-plated hinge as standard. This sturdy hinge is screwed and bolted into the timber framework of the door. This makes it a lot more difficult for intruders to unscrew the doors and gain access. Alongside our zinc-plated high-security hinges, all our shed windows are internally beaded, another deterrent to intruders as they can't remove the window from the outside. Our shed windows are supplied with 4mm thick toughened glass in comparison to the industry standard 3mm horticultural glass. The 4mm glass is less likely to break, scratch and cloud up, unlike some materials like perspex or styrene. On delivery, all the walls of the garden shed will arrive in panels, enabling a quick and smooth assembly. Get your garden shed up and running using our pictorial step-by-step instructions as well as YouTube tutorials. The MFP roof and floor of our garden sheds are water resistant and easy to install, helping keep your belongings safe, dry and free from damp. The roof panels provide a sturdy surface, unlike chipboard provided by some of our competitors. Across our range of garden sheds, the high internal eaves are typically higher than others on the market. This gives you enough room to store your belongings and walk in and out of the shed easily. Our sheds are designed for the UK, so the vast majority are under 2.5 metres tall, meaning you are far less likely to require planning permission. If you are unsure though, it's always best to contact your local authority. The protection of any garden shed roof is important, especially with the unpredictable British weather. So a highly durable, tear-resistant felt for use on your roof along with all the fixings required is included with the garden shed at no extra cost to you. Why settle for second best when you can have a Dunster?